Good morning, children. Today I am going to teach you a new lesson, that is articles, in your English language class. Okay, now you should know. Now in this lesson you are going to learn about a, and the. These are the three articles you are going to learn in this lesson. Okay, a, and the. Today I am going to discuss about a and an. Now where do we use a and where do we use an? We use a before a singular countable noun which starts with a consonant. I hope all of you know what is consonant. Okay? And we use an before a singular countable noun which starts with a vowel, that is a, e, I, o, u. The words which start with a, e, I, o, u. Okay? Now you see here, children. Now fill in the blanks with a or an is given here. Number one is dash omelette. Okay, here what we are going to use? An omelette, because this is starting with a vowel. Okay. Number two, you see a hammer. Number two, you see given hammer is given. Now you see here it is a consonant. So here we are going to write a hammer. Number three, you see dash yacht. Now this is also a consonant. So here we are going to put a yacht. Number four, you see mouse. Dash mouse is given. This is also a consonant. Okay. Please notice these are all singular countable nouns. You have to notice that. Okay. Number five, you see what it is given here. Dash peach. Now you see here a peach, because this is a consonant. Number six, dash itchy sweater. And itchy sweater, because this is vowel. Number seven, dash architect. Architect is a vowel. So here we are going to use an. 7 number, that is an architect. Next number is dash box. Here we are going to use a because B is consonant. The sound, please see the sound here also. Now after some time I am going to teach you about the sound, that is the vowel sound and the consonant sound. Now you see here, this one is consonant, so we are writing here a box. Number 9 is dash old desk. So this one is vowel. So we are going to write an old desk. Okay, children. Now one thing is clear, that these are all singular countable nouns. Where we are using a before the word which is starting with consonant, we are using a, and before the word which is starting with the vowel, we are using an. Okay. Now till here it should be clear to you. Okay. Now children, now I am going to teach you some words which are exceptions. Okay, like you see a European lady. If I say you, this one dash European lady, please see this. See, this is starting with E, isn't it? This is a vowel, but here we are going to write a European lady. A European lady. Why we are going to write a European lady? Because of the pronunciation of this word, which is actually European. The sound Y is coming. So we are using a European lady. Now next one, you see, if I say you dash honest person. You see here dash honest person. Now you see this is a consonant. This is a consonant, but we are going to use here an honest person. Why? Because here this is silent. This H is silent. Okay. Here the pronunciation is coming. In European, the Y sound is coming. Consonant Y sound is coming here. European. So we are using a. Here this is silent. Honest. So we are using here. We are using here an. Okay. Now you see here dash useless activity. If I say you here, if I give you this example, useless activity. Now here also you see this this is also U. This one is vowel. Okay, A, I, U, U. This is also a vowel, but here we are going to use A. A useless activity. Why? Because here also that Y sound is coming. Useless activity. That Y sound, consonant sound is coming. So we are using here A. One more you can say hour. See here, dash hour. An hour. Here also you see this is consonant, but we are using here an. So an hour. Dash unit. What will you write here? A unit. Again that Y sound is coming. This is vowel, but Y sound is coming. So these things you have to keep in mind, children. You have to notice the pronunciation of the word. Whether the word starts with a consonant or it starts with a vowel. But you have to follow the pronunciation of that word. According to the pronunciation of the word, you are going to use A or an. This also you have to keep in mind, okay? Now you see here, now I am going to do exercise A. Okay children, now you see exercise A, that is fill in the blanks with A or an where necessary. Put a cross if no article is needed. Now you see here number 1, add an onion and a tomato to the recipe. You can understand this is starting with vowel, so and. This one is starting with consonant T, so we are writing A. Add an onion and a tomato to the recipe. You have to take an aeroplane, A is vowel, and then a train, T is consonant, to reach my grandfather's house. Number 3 you see, we have to think of an idea. An idea, we have to think of an idea. I is starting with vowel. For an essay by tonight. For an essay, E is also starting with vowel. Now you see here, fill water. Water is uncountable noun. We cannot use A or an before water. You can say a glass of water, but you cannot say a water or an water. Okay, that is wrong. So here you are going to put cross. Fill water in a glass and bring it here. Here you see glass. It is a countable singular noun and it is starting with consonant, so we are using A. See children, here number 5 you see, this is an interesting book. This is an interesting book by a university teacher. Now you see here, this is vowel, this is starting with vowel sound, so here we are using an. And this is already a vowel, A, E, I, O, U, I is a vowel. And you see here, by a university teacher. Here as I explained you, that U is a vowel, but the pronunciation is coming of Y. The Y sound, consonant sound is coming. So we are using here A. Okay, a university teacher. This is an interesting book by a university teacher. Now, number 6 you see, to fix a wall, to fix a nail on wall, we need a hammer. Now you see, to fix a nail on, actually here wall is countable, but we are not going to use a or an before a wall because we are talking about a particular wall or about a specific wall. So it can be the there, but here we are using, they have asked us in this exercise to fill with a or an. So we are not going to use anything here, okay? Because here we are talking about a specific wall, about a particular wall. So we will not put a cross there. To fix a nail on wall, we need a hammer. Okay? To fix a nail on wall, we need a hammer. Okay children, please go through articles, that is use of a and an. Okay? And please go through this exercise A. Okay. We shall meet in the next class. Thank you.